Alright, what's going on? My name is Chad. I'm your Tall Tailor, and this video is going to be the start of a new long-running series, well, hopefully long-running series on my channel called DIY Designer, where I'm going to take designer pieces from established brands, and try to put my own twist and put my own spin on them and try and recreate them myself. So for this first episode, I'm going to be recreating the Levi's and Vetements collab that was back in 2016, I think. Yeah. They basically took Levi's denim and then they deconstructed them, and they just like looked, I'll put a whole bunch of pictures up on the screen, but they look totally different. They look super dope. So I don't know about y'all, but me personally, when it's summertime, it's summer like right now, but when it's summertime, the most like quintessential summer outfit is a white tee and jeans. And all last year, all 2018, that's pretty much what I wore in the summer. So this year I want to do the exact same thing, but I kind of think that white tee and jeans is kind of boring. So I want to spice it up a little bit by taking some denim jeans and reconstructing them to make them look a little bit more interesting. So with all that being said and introductions out of the way, let's get to sewing. So to start off, I got these Levi's 550 light wash denim jeans. You can find a ton of these at your local thrift. They have a relaxed fit, and that's perfect for the style I'm going for. I want these pants to have creases down the front and the back panels, so I took them to the iron to press them down flat. I made sure to use high heat and a lot of steam to make the creases really pronounced. Alright, the creases are nice and visible, and that's perfect because I'll be sewing on them later. And here I'm just using my seam ripper to open up the hem of the jeans. A raw hem would look a lot better with these pants. And after it's open, I just took them to the iron to press them down flat. I want to move the back pockets to another place of the pants, so I just used the seam ripper again to take them off. I kept the red tag, I'll be placing that back too. So now I'm actually starting to sew. I'm sewing a seam a 1/4 inch down from the crease I made. And when it's done, it should look like this. I just repeat the process for the other 3 seams on the pants. Okay, so I was thinking of different pocket placements, and I decided on just placing a pocket right here. It's gonna be right underneath the front pocket, so you can stick your hand in here, and maybe you can put like a, I don't know, your phone or... So I'm sewing the pockets back to the side of the pants, and I'm making sure I go slowly here so the stitches turn out precise. Alright, now that the pockets are stitched on both sides, I made sure to add the Levi's tag. I had the Levi's tag back on this one. So now I'm just going to take my scissors and my seam ripper, and I'm just going to go cut this seam open right there all the way down 4 times, and then I'm going to press it. So now that I split the seam open, I'm going to take my iron and I'm just going to iron it down flat. I'm going to do that with the 4 seams I made, 2 on the front and 2 on the back. And that's it, it's done. This is what the pants look like now with the seams pressed open and the back pockets moved. Now I'm super pleased how these jeans turned out. I'm really happy with the pocket on the side, like the little back pocket. Just an easier place to put your things. I was thinking of putting both pockets on one side, but I don't know, I kind of don't really like that asymmetry. I kind of like the uniformity of the pants, how they're both on the left and the right sides. So yeah, I'm definitely going to get a lot of wear out of these pants, especially in the summer. Light wash denim in the summer is kind of like a must, and I'm glad I got these for I got these for like 10 bucks. Bless. Yeah, I have some other thoughts and other ideas of how this series can go in the future. I have some ideas. If you want me to do anything or make anything, let me know down below in the comment section. Make sure to like this vid, subscribe, share, all that stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. See you in the next one. Bye.